Hello everyone. Today we're diving into Klaviyo versus Kajabi comparison. If you're new to Klaviyo, be sure to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those of you who are already set up, just log in and let's get started. Klaviyo and Kajabi are both powerful tools used in digital marketing, but they serve different primary purposes. Let's break down their key differences. Klaviyo is a robust email marketing automation platform that helps businesses engage customers through targeted communication. Its main function is to create and manage email campaigns that effectively reach and resonate with audiences. Key features include advanced segmentation for tailoring messages based on customer behavior, A/B testing tools for optimizing email performance, and automation workflows that send timely messages triggered by user actions. Additionally, Klaviyo seamlessly integrates with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it an ideal choice for businesses looking to develop effective email marketing strategies and strengthen customer relationships. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform designed for creators, coaches, and entrepreneurs to sell online courses and memberships. Its primary function is to facilitate course creation with user-friendly tools for integrating multimedia content. Kajabi also supports membership sites and includes payment processing for seamless transactions. While it offers some marketing automation features, they are less extensive than those of platforms like Klaviyo. Additionally, Kajabi provides community building tools to enhance interaction among users, making it ideal for those looking to monetize their expertise through digital products. When to choose Klaviyo or Kajabi depends on your focus. Use Klaviyo if your priority is email marketing and building an engaged email list. Alternatively, choose Kajabi if you want to create and sell online courses, memberships, or digital products, as it provides a complete platform for managing all aspects of your business. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.